Let's start. Today we will see how to find an inside bar in the TradingView Pine script. An inside bar is that bar whose entire body is enclosed within the previous bar. In technical terms, the high of an inside bar is lower than its previous bar's high. And the low of an inside bar is higher than its previous bar's low. Let's see the code. This is an indicator function with a name. Inside bar. Here we find the inside bar. As said earlier, if the current bar's high is lower than its previous bar's high, and if the current bar's low is higher than its previous bar's low, then that bar is an inside bar. Once the inside bar is found, we color that bar in white color. Also, we put an arrow mark below that bar for better identification. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, these white candles with arrow marks are the inside bars. Their entire body is enclosed within their respective previous candles. So that's it. That's how you can find an inside bar in the TradingView Pine script. Thank you.